Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Peace be upon you all and welcome to the channel. In this short video we will discuss how to create an anonymous inner class for a concrete class. I forgot to mention that in the anonymous inner class lesson. So you have abstract classes, interfaces, and concrete classes or simple classes, which are basically classes that are not abstract. So without delaying any further, we will cover this quickly. I will create a class called student. And I will add a method that will simply say, welcome to anonymous, welcome to the parent class. Now, normally, if you wish to override this method, you will create a subclass like so. And let us call this person. And then you will say extends student. And then you will override the method like so. And say public void display. And then you will say welcome to the subclass. But instead of wasting your time with a subclass, you can override this method through through an anonymous class. Oh no, not that one. I want to delete person. So what we can do is the same as before. Student s1 is equal to new student, and here we will override, and then we will match the method signature, of course, and we will end the semicolon here because this is supposed to be one line. And welcome to anonymous inner class. And we will invoke the method like so, and then execute. And there we go. So you can implement anonymous inner classes through simple classes or regular classes, or more accurately concrete classes, or through abstract classes, or through interfaces. Why is that? Because I do not recall if I mentioned this in the previous lecture or not. Anonymous inner classes are normally used for method overriding. So if there is a possibility to override a method either through abstract classes which relies on inheritance, or concrete classes which can also be used in inheritance, or interfaces, which is it is not called inheritance, it is called realization or implementation, but it functions similarly to inheritance, you can use the anonymous inner class. I hope this lecture was helpful and beneficial to you all. Enjoy the rest of your day, everyone. Be safe, take care, and peace be upon you all. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.